In a whimsical, enchanted workshop where creativity knows no bounds, children are transported to a magical setting, filled with colorful arts and crafts materials that sparkle with potential. Nestled in a cozy attic high above the clouds, this workshop is adorned with fairy lights and shimmering tapestries. A friendly and imaginative guide, a charming talking squirrel named Nutmeg, warmly welcomes viewers. With a twitch of his fluffy tail and a twinkle in his eye, Nutmeg invites them to embark on a series of delightful crafting adventures. The first adventure leads children to a magical garden, where they learn to create beautiful paper flowers using simple materials like colored paper, scissors, and glue. As Nutmeg guides them through step-by-step instructions, the video showcases close-up shots of each crafting stage. Animated butterflies flutter by and blooming flowers bring the garden to life, mesmerizing the young viewers. Next, Nutmeg takes them to the grand greeting card castle, where children discover how to make personalized greeting cards using markers, stickers, and ribbon. Excitement builds as the video captures the joy of decorating with lively animations of stars and hearts. The cards magically fly off to spread cheer in the enchanting world, leaving trails of sparkles behind. The final adventure involves a thrilling treasure hunt for recycled materials, such as bottle caps and fabric scraps, to create a unique art piece. Nutmeg narrates the transformation of ordinary items into artistic gems, with animations highlighting the children's creativity. As they assemble their recycled treasures, the forest around them seems to hum with delight. The video concludes with a heartfelt farewell from Nutmeg. He encourages viewers to share their creations and subscribe for more enchanting craft adventures. Throughout, the video features high-quality 4K visuals, vibrant animations, and Nutmeg's cheerful, engaging voiceover, ensuring an immersive and educational experience that sparks creativity and excitement in young viewers.